Have you ever wondered how much we truly know about the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter? The grandeur of Jupiter has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Its radiant glow, hanging in the night sky like a celestial guardian, has sparked curiosity and wonder in the minds of poets, philosophers, and astronomers alike. From ancient civilizations who deified Jupiter as the king of gods to modern-day scientists launching space probes to unlock its secrets, our fascination with this gas giant seems to be as expansive as the planet itself. The allure of Jupiter is not just its colossal size, but the mystery that shrouds it. Despite the leaps and bounds in space exploration, there are still countless enigmas about Jupiter that remain unsolved. Today, we delve into some lesser-known facts about this celestial behemoth. Facts that are not just intriguing, but also challenge our understanding of the universe. From its tumultuous weather patterns to its surprising ring system, its massive magnetic field to its potential for harboring life, Jupiter is a planet that continues to astound and bewilder us. But why does Jupiter matter? Well, by studying Jupiter, we learn not just about the planet itself, but also about the origins and evolution of our solar system. We gain insights into how gas giants form and change over time, and this knowledge can help us understand other similar planets in distant galaxies. So as we stand on the brink of the unknown, ready to unlock the secrets of Jupiter, we are not just exploring a distant planet. We are embarking on a journey of discovery that transcends the confines of our own world and takes us to the very edges of our understanding of the universe. Are you ready to plunge into the depths of Jupiter's secrets? Buckle up, for we're about to embark on an interplanetary journey. Imagine a planet so vast, it could swallow Earth over 1,300 times. Now, that's Jupiter for you. Its sheer size is truly mind-boggling. It's not just the largest planet in our solar system, but it's also more massive than all of the other planets combined. Just think about it. If you were to stack Earths side by side, you'd need more than 11 Earths to match the diameter of Jupiter. When it comes to volume, it's even more staggering. Jupiter's volume could hold over 1,300 Earths. And let's not forget about its intense gravity, which is about 2.5 times stronger than Earth's. This immense gravitational force creates extreme pressure inside the planet, enough to crush most things we know into oblivion. It's hard to fathom such enormity, isn't it? But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Ever complained about bad weather on Earth? Wait until you hear about Jupiter's eternal storm. Indeed, when it comes to wild weather, Jupiter takes the cake. The planet is home to the most massive storm in our solar system, known as the Great Red Spot. This crimson-colored tempest has been raging for at least 300 years with no signs of calming down. It's so enormous that Earth could fit inside it 2 times over. Now, if the size isn't mind-boggling enough, let's talk about the speed of the winds in this storm. Picture the most powerful hurricanes you've seen on Earth. The winds of Jupiter's Great Red Spot make those look like a mild breeze. They whip around at speeds of more than 400 miles per hour. That's twice as fast as the most extreme hurricanes on Earth. But the Great Red Spot isn't the only storm on Jupiter. The entire planet is a boiling cauldron of storms, thanks to its turbulent atmosphere and fast rotation. The planet spins so quickly on its axis that it causes the gas in Jupiter's atmosphere to swirl and churn, creating bands of storms that circle the planet. These bands are what give Jupiter its distinctive striped appearance. And don't think these storms are short-lived. Unlike the quick, albeit destructive, hurricanes on Earth, storms on Jupiter can last for decades, even centuries. The Great Red Spot has been swirling for at least 300 years, and other smaller storms have been observed for decades. Now think about that. A storm that has been raging for longer than some countries have existed. A storm so gigantic that our entire planet could fit inside it. A storm with winds that dwarf those of Earth's deadliest hurricanes. So, The next time you find yourself complaining about a bit of rain or wind, remember this. As far as storms go, we have it pretty easy here on Earth. Jupiter's tempestuous weather puts our worst stormy days to shame. Next time you're caught in a storm, remember, it could always be worse. Saturn isn't the only planet with a flashy ring system. Meet Jupiter's modest yet intriguing rings. Discovered in the late 70s by Voyager 1, these rings were a delightful surprise. Unlike the ice and rock composition of Saturn's rings, Jupiter's rings are made up of tiny dust particles. These particles are believed to have been kicked up by meteor impacts on the planet's small inner moons. Jupiter's ring system is subtle, barely visible, and vastly different from the other gas giants. Consisting of three main components: the thin, innermost halo ring, the bright, exceptionally thin main ring, and the wide, faint gossamer rings, Jupiter's rings are a fascinating study in contrast. Theories suggest that these rings could be ancient, or perhaps they are continuously replenished by new dust. We still have much to learn about them. These rings may not be as impressive as Saturn's, but they certainly add an understated charm to Jupiter. If you thought Earth's magnetic field was impressive, Jupiter's will blow your mind. Now, let's dive into the cosmos and explore the wonders of Jupiter's massive magnetic field. It's a force to be reckoned with, as it is the strongest in the solar system, apart from the Sun's. This gargantuan magnetic field is a whopping 20 times stronger than Earth's. So how does this magnetic titan come to be? Well, it's all thanks to Jupiter's fast rotation and its metallic hydrogen core. As Jupiter spins, the movement of this metallic hydrogen creates electrical currents, which in turn give birth to this colossal magnetic field. It's a fascinating cycle, a celestial dance of forces, if you will. And the reach of this magnetic field, absolutely mind-boggling. It extends over a distance of nearly 3 million kilometers in the Sun's direction, which is roughly 7 times the diameter of Jupiter itself. But that's not all. On the side away from the Sun, the magnetic field stretches out to create a magnetotail, which extends beyond the orbit of Saturn. That's right, Jupiter's magnetic field reaches into the space territory of another planet. Now let's talk about one of the most beautiful consequences of this magnetic prowess: Jupiter's stunning auroras. Unlike Earth's northern and southern lights, Jupiter's auroras are not caused by solar winds alone. They are primarily the result of Jupiter's magnetic field interacting with its own plasma, especially from its volcanic moon Io. These auroras are a celestial spectacle, a cosmic light show that's constantly in action. They glow in ultraviolet light and are most intense in the polar regions, offering a mesmerizing display of Jupiter's magnetic might. In conclusion, Jupiter's magnetic field is truly a marvel, a testament to the planet's unique composition and rapid rotation. It's a force that not only protects Jupiter from solar winds, but also creates a breathtaking light show that could give the Earth's auroras a run for their money. Jupiter's magnetic field is not just strong, it's a celestial spectacle in its own right. So, what have we learned about the giant of our solar system? Well, first and foremost, Jupiter is immense in size. It's not just the largest planet in our solar system, but it's so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. That's right, if Earth were the size of a grape, Jupiter would be the size of a basketball. It's hard to grasp the sheer scale of it, isn't it? Then we delved into the roaring storms that rage across Jupiter's surface. The Great Red Spot, a storm that's been swirling for at least 4 centuries, is so vast that it could swallow 3 Earths. And it's not alone. Jupiter's atmosphere is teeming with storms, all swirling in a chaotic symphony that gives the planet its iconic striped appearance. We also discussed the modest but intriguing ring system encircling Jupiter. Unlike the prominent rings of Saturn, Jupiter's rings are faint and mostly composed of tiny dust particles. These particles are believed to be remnants from the moons that orbit close to the planet, providing a fascinating glimpse into the dynamic and violent history of Jupiter's satellite system. And last but not least, we explored Jupiter's massive magnetic field, the largest and strongest in the solar system. This magnetic field is so powerful that it extends past Saturn's orbit, creating a magnetosphere that protects Jupiter's moons from the harsh solar wind. It's a testament to the planet's profound influence on its surroundings. So there we have it, a whirlwind tour of the king of planets, from its immense size to its roaring storms, its modest ring system, and its massive magnetic field. Jupiter truly is a marvel of our solar system. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Jupiter remains a source of constant fascination. Who knows what other secrets this giant holds?